When it comes to enhancing your Salt Lake City home, choosing the right door is a crucial decision. Doors do more than provide access. They set the tone for your home's aesthetic, contribute to energy efficiency, and offer security. With Salt Lake City's unique climate and architectural diversity, selecting the right door requires careful consideration. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you make the best choice. Understand your climate. Salt Lake City experiences a wide range of temperatures, from hot summers to freezing winters. This climate demands doors that can withstand fluctuations while providing excellent insulation. Materials like fiberglass and steel are particularly suited for this environment, offering durability and resistance to weather extremes. For homeowners looking to emphasize energy efficiency, consider doors with insulated cores or double-glazed glass panels. Match your home's architectural style. Salt Lake City boasts a mix of historic and modern homes, from charming bungalows to contemporary townhouses. Your door should complement your home's architectural design. Historic homes. For craftsman or Victorian-style homes, wood doors with intricate details or glass inserts can maintain the period charm. Modern homes. Sleek, minimalist doors with clean lines and metallic finishes work well for contemporary styles. Rustic homes. If your home reflects a mountain or cabin aesthetic, opt for natural wood finishes or wrought iron accents. The right door enhances curb appeal and creates a cohesive look that ties together your home's exterior. Focus on security. A door's primary function is to protect your home. Salt Lake City homeowners should prioritize doors with robust locking systems and solid construction. Steel doors are an excellent choice for security, as they are strong and resistant to forced entry. If you prefer a glass door, ensure it is made from impact-resistant glass and includes multi-point locks. Consider energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a significant concern in Salt Lake City, where heating and cooling costs can add up. Look for doors with the Energy Star certification, which indicates superior insulation properties. Key features to consider include: low E glass. Reduces heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Weather stripping. Prevents drafts and moisture from entering your home. Insulated materials. Fiberglass and steel doors often feature insulated cores for optimal thermal performance. Material matters. The door's material impacts its durability, maintenance requirements, and appearance. Here's a breakdown of popular options. Wood. Timeless and elegant, wood doors offer natural beauty but require regular maintenance to prevent warping or cracking. Fiberglass. A versatile option that mimics the look of wood while being low maintenance and resistant to dents. Steel. Durable and secure, steel doors are ideal for homeowners seeking longevity and protection. Glass. Provides a modern aesthetic and allows natural light in, but ensure the glass is double or triple paned for energy efficiency. Don't forget maintenance. Salt Lake City's weather can take a toll on doors over time. Choose a material and finish that suits your lifestyle and willingness to maintain it. For example, if you prefer minimal upkeep, fiberglass or pre-finished steel doors are excellent choices. Think about customization. Your front door is a statement piece. Consider adding personal touches such as colors. A bold color like red or blue can make your home stand out, while neutral tones like black or gray offer timeless appeal. Hardware. High-quality handles, knockers, and hinges can elevate the door's overall look. Glass inserts. Stained or frosted glass can add elegance and privacy. Set a budget. Doors come in a wide price range. While it's tempting to cut costs, remember that a quality door is a long-term investment. A well-constructed, energy-efficient door can reduce utility bills and enhance your home's resale value. Hire professional installers. Even the best door will underperform if not installed correctly. Salt Lake City has many skilled professionals who understand the local climate and building requirements. Proper installation ensures your door functions seamlessly and provides maximum benefits. Conclusion. Choosing the right door for your Salt Lake City home is about finding the perfect balance between style, functionality, and durability. By considering factors like climate, energy efficiency, security, and design, you can make a decision that enhances both your home's aesthetic and value. Whether you're replacing an old door or choosing one for a new build, taking the time to research and invest in a high-quality option will pay off for years to come.